Welcome to the channel. As always, today I've got a nice little review on an EDC / tactical flashlight. I have worked with this company before. A few months ago, I don't know, 5-6 months ago, they sent me a small pocket size flashlight and I've done a review on it. And I'll tell you what, ever since I've done the review, I've carried it in my pocket 90% of the time. It's just handy. And that flashlight is the Warcose HDO3, and this is it right here. And I'll tell you what, this is just a handy little light to put in your pocket. It's got the nice little clip right here, little button, and I'm telling you what, it is so bright. Look at that. When you come up to your front door at your home at nighttime, you can't see, get your keys out, this thing is handy. Same with your car doors, you know, just little things around your car you can look and shine. And I mean, it's just bright as it can be. Different modes, but it comes with a lanyard. But enough about this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this review video if you want to check it out. But Warcose is a very well-known brand. They have rugged and durable flashlights. And if you're a police or security guard, military M&P, or just a personal prepper like myself, this thing here, I'm telling you what, they blew it out of the water this time. I'm flat telling you. This here is the Warcose HDO5. This thing looks like it come on a spaceship, but I flat tell you, it is nice. Give you a little look at that right there. Pause it if you need to. Trying to get it up there to not blur though. So that is the box. Right here, they give you a USB-C to USB-C charging cord. Comes with it. You got your manual, and I have to say, this ain't written like most manuals. It's literally, you know, press once for this, press twice for that. It literally just spells it right out for you, how to operate it. Very simple. Right here is your lanyard and a couple of extra O-rings inside. So that's nice. And then finally, the HDO5 itself. Right there, HDO5 by Warcose. And I'm flat telling you, if you want you a really nice tactical or EDC flashlight, this is one to look at, hands down. I'm flat telling you. This is made with 6061 CNC milled aviation grade aluminum alloy. I am flat telling you, this is nice. You can see where it's milled right here, even on the front a little bit right there, down the sides. I mean, it's just really nice and well made. Right here is your USB charging port. Has a little dust / moisture cover. This is IPX6 water and weather resistant, waterproof. Like I said, the O-rings are here in the battery compartment. Let me let you take a look at that. I'm really impressed with this one. I really am. I was honestly tickled to death when they reached out to me about doing a review on this one. I've seen this one a couple of times. 5,000 milliamps, 18 watt hour. But this is a polymer battery, lithium. And down the road, 3, 4, 5 years, you know, you don't got to replace your flashlight. You just replace the battery. That's all you got to do. Right here's your cover, and you can see that little O-ring right there on it. Just make sure that's tight. And you do have a 1-year warranty and customer service with Warcose. And now there's 4 different ways you can carry this. One, you have your belt clip right there. It's steel. put it on your belt, your EDC bag, go bag, whatever you want to call it. You know, in your hand, slash with the lanyard. Right there's your lanyard hole, if you can see it back there. And they give you the lanyard to put on there if you want. It has a 1/4 threaded threads in there. That way you can actually take this, put it on a tripod and screw it on. And I'll get to that in a minute, why you would even do that. And then also, this whole bottom base is a very strong magnet. And I've got an old antique skillet right here. I want you to hear this. Now I'm telling you, you ain't coming. That ain't coming off unless you knock it off. I'm telling you, it's strong. But I like it because you could put this up under your hood of your car while you're working on it. You know, just let it hang like that. And again, you asked me, why would you do that? Well, let me show you here. How about that? And you can just twist that around, hook that to the inside underneath of your hood. Now you're working on your car right there. That is nice. Has a 180-degree turn right there, radius. 135-degree radius right there. And it has a little ball bearing, if you can see it right there, and a little indentation right there. So when you clip it in there, it stays. It ain't going to come out and get loose from you. I do like that. Right here is your main controls. If you see right there, a green light. And that is an indicator of your battery level. And I do like that because you don't have to worry about when your battery needs charged up. It will tell you. If the light's on fully green, solid green, 75% to 100% battery life. If it's flashing green, it's 50% to 75%. Get that on, there you go. And if it's solid red, it's 25% to 50%. And if it's flashing red, it's 1% to 25%. So it lets you know when you need to charge it. It has a non-reflective bezel around the front here. And if you can see, I ain't gonna call them teeth, but they're flat raised spots. You know, you could use that actually as a defense tool right there. So, I mean, they have thought about everything right here. I do like this. I think it looks really, really good. It has reinforced tempered glass over the lenses of the lights. Let me get that to reflect a little bit if I can. Right there you go. That whole light right there is reinforced tempered glass, and also that one. You can drop this from 1 meter and you have nothing to worry about. You might get a few scratches, but that's about it. Playing around with this thing, it's just been awesome. I'll be honest with you, I didn't know a flashlight could do these things. Now right here is your main control, and it does have a lock. That way if it's sitting around your house and your kids are trying to play with it, and you know you've got to go to work and you don't want your battery drained, you can lock it by tapping this 4 times, 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, them 2 little blink signals, it is locked. So if your kid comes up and hits it, all it's going to get is 2 little blinks every time. But if you want to unlock it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's ready to go. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn on the spotlight. Now I'm going to hold long press. Look how bright it got. I mean, people, that is bright. 3,100 lumens. And you can actually feel heat off of this thing right here. I'm going to take her down to a soft. There we go. You know, just maybe looking around your house under the bed or something. Turn that off. If you want it back on, 1 click. Off, 1 click. If you would like to do the strobe, and it does have a SOS, but I'll be honest with you, I can't figure out how to do it yet. I follow the directions, but I'm just not that good at it yet, I guess. But 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3. Now that right there, people, that will blind somebody. 1, 2, 3. There's the strobe. There it went. All right, I figured that out. I kept doing what they told me, but I didn't know you had to repeat it. So that's bad on me right there. This thing is awesome. I'm flat telling you. If you look at the control right here, so the little white mark going straight, like I said, that was the spotlight, which we were just doing. If you click it over to the R, that's for the red light. And that is for your night vision. If you're wearing night vision or maybe looking through a night vision scope on a rifle, anything like it, night vision, anything. The red, one click, right there. That way, everyone ain't going to see it in the world, and you can see it and it not hurt you through your night vision. I'm going to long press, make it get bright. Man, look at that. That is just, and I've got daylight here in the house. I'm just telling you. Make it go dim. There we go. So that is nice. I'm going to switch it over to UV right here. And what that is, and I know y'all have seen UV lights. They got the little pins and stuff you can get. But the best way I can tell you how to use a UV light, you ever go to a motel and you'd actually like to see if the bed sheets are clean? Well, right there, there's the bright. You can take this over your bed sheets. As you can see, it's like a blue-white. It'll tell you if the sheets are clean or not. Now, I don't know if I've got the guts to take this with me and see if the sheets are clean, because I might have to go get me another motel. But anyway, that's just a good example of telling you, what that light is right there, the UV, what you would use it for. Like I said, we'll switch to red. There's your red. And then your high beam. Try not to blind y'all. There's bright. Man, that is just super bright. Man, that's 3,100 lumens right there. And, 3 football field lengths is what it'll reach. So, I mean, that's pretty amazing right there. 1,099 feet of range, equivalent to 3 football fields. And like I say, then you've still got your little lamp right here. And again, you can watch that raise. Look at that. Lower it again. Raise it. Lower it. So, I mean, this is just nice. And again, like I said, swivel that around. I really do like this. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you can actually go see this on Amazon. If you are looking for a well-made with a whole bunch of functions, EDC flashlight, I'm telling you, you need to give this thing a look. This is brand new model put out by WURKKOS. You need to check it out. Again, it's the HDO5 by WURKKOS. I'm telling you, before you go buy any light, at least give this thing a look at. I'm flat telling you, it is nice. And also, I'll leave the link to the review video of the HDO3. You can check it out. And as always, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, a like, share the video if you don't mind, and subscribe if you're not. We do power stations, lights, prepping, just about everything on here, self-reliance. But yeah, I appreciate you being here, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care of your family and your friends, and God bless.